As discipline is science, it is can be confirmed or interpreted in the event of an alternative hypothesis being accepted. Premium on empiricism. Take into account those results which are measurable and experience which are repeatable. Is considered valid if it can be confirmed through empirical evidence. This means that scientists aim to gather observation, experiment, and data that support the hypothesis. The more evidence that lies with the hypothesis, the stronger the belief in its truth becomes. For example, imagine a scientist discovered new fertilizer para pag-increase or taas sa crops. So they conduct an experiment by apply the fertilizer sa one group of plants and sa other group nga without fertilizer. Pagkahuman, ilahang gi-measure or gisugkod ang yields sa duha ka group. If ang group nga naay fertilizer nagpadayon og produce a higher yields, so it means ang hypothesis is considered confirmed. So mauna ang ginatawag nga verification theory. There's always evidence to say it is verification theory and to support the hypothesis. Next, Vienna Circle, group of scholars who believe that only those which can be observed should be regarded as meaningful. Reject those which cannot be directly assessed as meaningless. For example, ang Vienna Circle isa ka grupo sa mga philosopher or scientists